Hello, dear friends. Happy connecting you back. My today's topic is inferiority feeling. Everyone experiences a character inferior. Someone remains inferior or someone experiences an inferior attitude. It's a complex of being less self-confidence. Few people will not accept others' growth. It is because loss of self-study. In some mean, it's our own part of jealous, lack of ability, poor learning skill and comparison of living. We have to understand that God has created us with an ability. Our mind and brain unknowingly struggles to find our own talent or skill. Mind compares one another, lacks self-health of understanding too. It is our self-mistake. We miss to find it. We remark and point always others for all our missings and failures. It is all due to comparing one another. If a neighbor buys a new car, there starts a jealous. True is we are in lack of money. If someone wears costly dress, there arises inferior thought that I couldn't buy a new one. Simple to say is unable to do easy things and finding another person doing that easy thing more very easily starts to feel and take us inferior. Actually, it is we are making someone to become superior than us. True is we are not ready to find our skill to complete even silly thing. In that meantime of feeling less confident, why not we think about doing it successfully? Friends, you would have seen few minds cannot accept talents of a co-worker, or a senior in an office will not accept subordinate's talent. It is because they won't console to grow talents. It leads to discourage and starts finding faults to defeat their growth. Their nervousness act is felt down. It is very bad to react on. In another hand, our own disability and self-demotivation is making the other one to grow up. Such type of individual is not ready to update their knowledge. This kind of act is basically laziness and staying in stable knowledge. Lazy people targets to slow down their talents. Then it continues like lack of ability. It compares each other and forgets self-possession. Here it grows thoughts of lower position. It also gives chance to active and fails to identify self-faults. So my dear friends, first we should rank as high. Self-assess yourself, find your ability, stir your position, hard work for self-improvement, plan and decide for self-growth. Definitely you will grow. You will realize your self-knowledge of working and ranking access you to feel great. Ranking also takes you to joy of superiority and inferior feel gets defeated. This superiority has to be only in knowledge of hard work and not in defeating of others' growth. Kindly practice your sense of mind and thoughts to grow your self-learning. Sharp your vision to find and see active part of positivity. Practice to accept goodness in and around. Avoid comparing. Pretend inferior to shoot opposite eyes to see you a great superior world. So dear friends, keep superior thought and win with superior rank. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.